Today's video is going to be all about hair. I'm going to show you guys how I make Fenugreek Seed Water, which is supposed to be this Indian super recipe that's going to grow your hair, make it gorgeous and full and thick and everything. And I'm going to show you guys how I make it, how I apply it. So stick with me. Here we go. Hey babies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and fitness. And if that's what you're into, also make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos coming up. Also hit the bell next to that subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post another video. Having said that, you are probably watching because you are experiencing some kind of hair issues, whether your hair is not growing fast enough or at all, whether your hair is falling out or breaking, maybe you have dry hair, itchy scalp, or some kind of issue. Whatever the issue is, it's probably why you're watching this video right now. This video is going to be about Fenugreek Seed Water and how it can help your hair issues. This is the first time I'm going to be trying this recipe, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it. If you're not familiar with fenugreek seeds, you can buy it in your grocery store in the international food aisle. You can buy it in a health food store or on Amazon. Well, this is the first time I'm going to be using it, so wish me luck. Fenugreek seed has many vitamins in it. It has folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, selenium, zinc, all these different vitamins that are really good. When you put it on your scalp, it's known to promote blood flow to your scalp, and it nourishes the hair follicles. So automatically that should say something, that means your hair is going to grow really nicely, hopefully, from what I hear. Okay, I did my research before this video, so let's hope that that is true. Having said that, if you're expecting a miracle, don't, because I should say there's various reasons why you might be experiencing hair issues right now. It could be poor nutrition, stress, medical conditions such as thyroid conditions such as me, genetics. They all play a part in what could be triggering your hair to do what it's doing. Before trying to fix your hair, you should really fix the source of what's causing your issue. So if it's a medical condition, take care of that first and then start working on fixing your hair. I am going to show you guys how I made my first batch of fenugreek seed water and how I applied it. So here is the clip on how I make my fenugreek seed water. To make fenugreek seed water, you are going to need fenugreek seeds. This is what they look like. They're very small, brownish, yellowish seeds. And you're going to need about 3 tablespoons for a batch. You're also going to need a container with a lid. And I am just using a mason jar. Another thing you need is a strainer so you can separate the liquid from the seeds. Spray bottle, and you're gonna need water, and I like to use distilled water for this, about 1.5 to 2 cups. The first thing you do is you take 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and put them into your jar or container. Next, you're gonna add about 1.5 to 2 cups of distilled water. Give it a good stir with a spoon, and then you seal the jar shut. Keep the jar at room temperature and allow the seeds to soak overnight or for at least 12 hours. After soaking the seeds, this is what you're going to end up with. The water is now the color of the seeds, and the seeds have swollen and increased in volume. You're then gonna pour everything into your strainer to separate the liquid from the seeds. And you can use a spoon to really get all the juice out. This is what you're gonna end up with. It's a little thick like liquid. You're gonna pour that into your spray bottle. And there you have it, your Fenugreek Seed Water. So now that you've seen how I make the water, I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply it. This is what I ended up with. As you could have seen in the video, I just put it in a little spray bottle. I'm going to apply it to my hair. Now it smells like maple syrup. So if you don't like the smell, you can also put some essential oil in it to get rid of that smell. But I'm only gonna leave it in my hair for about half an hour, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. The smell will come out and everything will come out. So I have no problem with it. I think it smells really, really good actually. So, but here we go. Don't look at my hair. I sweated on it yesterday in the gym. I haven't washed it in like 3 days. This is my hair right now. My ends are super dry because I have no product in my hair right now. I am just going to start by applying water to my scalp because that's where the hair grows from. So that's what you want to focus on. Ooh, okay. And you just kind of massage it into your scalp. You just part your hair. It smells really sweet. Good thing it's not sticky like maple syrup. It's like a watery consistency, so it's gonna go all over. But you mainly want to get it on your scalp. So that's what we're focusing on. And I have a lot of hair. Now it might be easiest to just part your hair and do section by section and just get it on your scalp. Okay, so I put it all on my scalp, but I'm also gonna put some in my hair, just on the ends, because those are really dry, and all throughout my hair, just a little bit. Mainly focusing though on my scalp. So I put the fenugreek water all through my hair, on my scalp, my ends, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for about half an hour, and then I'm gonna wash it out. It has a slight mapley scent that really doesn't bother me at all, but when you wash your hair, it'll wash out the scent too, so don't worry about that. Now the fenugreek water left over, don't throw it out. Store it in the fridge. It'll keep good for about 5 to 7 days. So if you're like me and you wash your hair twice a week, you can use it again before your next washing. So as for the results, it's going to take me a while to try this several times, so I can't really report back to you guys whether it's gonna work or not, or if I noticed any differences or results. But make sure you check my Instagram, Kimberly Keynes, because I post frequent updates on there. I will keep you guys posted on how it's going, and I will make a final video to show you guys any results that I've gotten. Okay, so that was the video for today. If you've tried fenugreek water before, sound off in the comments below and let me know what your experience was. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tune in again next week for another video.